In today's video, I want to talk to you about 3 reasons why I joined Livegood and why I believe this is one of the easiest opportunities to make money from home at the moment. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. The number one reason I joined Livegood is the price of their products. Eating healthy has always been a habit of mine. I was already buying vitamins and protein every month from a different company, and I wasn't making any money from it. So when I came across an opportunity that was allowing me to not only save money on the products, but also to earn a passive income at the same time, that was a no-brainer for me. Livegood used the same model as Costco and Amazon. You pay for the membership and you get their products at the wholesale price. Their products are cheaper than any other network marketing company out there. Pretty much, I would still have joined Livegood even if there was no opportunity to make money from it. And you are not required to buy their products every month like most network marketing companies do. The number 2 reason I joined Livegood is the opportunity. Livegood allows you to make money when you refer other people to the opportunity. I have been a member of Costco and Amazon for many years, and I have never made money from them. The membership helps me save money, of course, so I'm not complaining. But with Livegood, you have the opportunity to make up to $2,075 per month, even if you don't recruit anyone. And you can earn a lot more if you can recruit few people. But again, it will take time for your matrix to fill up, especially if you are not able to recruit anyone. Let's be realistic here. Let's say in the worst case scenario, it takes you 1 year or even 2 years for your matrix to fill up. That is still a great investment. In 2 years, you would have spent $240 to make $2,000 per month. I will take that anytime. The number 3 reason I joined Livegood is their marketing system. Livegood has an amazing sales funnel that does all the selling for you. They have their own autoresponder that follows up with your prospects. Really, all you have to do is to send people to their capture page and let the system do the rest of the work. Now I want you to listen to Nader Kazan, the Director of Network Marketing at Livegood. He explains in details how Livegood compared to big companies such as Amazon and Costco.
All right, Livegood affiliates. Guess where I'm at? I'm at Costco. So I just did a Zoom with somebody and they asked me a simple question and I want to share it with you because it's funny. I'm at Costco because we're going to be the Costco of home-based business. We're going to be the Amazon of home-based business. Just like Amazon started with books, we're starting with the most advanced nutritional products on earth, super low prices, 100% empty bottle, no questions asked, money back guarantee. That's it. We charge $9.95 a month. Like these guys have 100 million people paying them $9.95 a month. Who's gonna stop paying $9.95 a month when they're saving $30, $40, $50 on products that their body needs? So that's that. So that's why I'm here. I'm doing a training on that. But somebody just reached out to me and goes, Nader, can you give me an MLM math? Again, let me be very clear, ladies and gentlemen. I know I've been told that we're like the whistleblowers of MLM, which we're not. We just love this industry and it's just time for a change. That's all. Everything else has evolved. Cars has evolved. Phones have evolved. Everything is evolved. But network marketing hasn't evolved. Why? Don't ask me why. Maybe because there's too much money in it for the people on top and the company owners. Meanwhile, single moms are being price gouged. Right? So here's the deal. I'm not here to badmouth the industry. Again, repeatedly. I'm not. But I'm going to give you the math. If you're with any company that pays commissions on products and flashes big checks, here's your math. It's very simple. If it costs you $1,000 to join that company, take a 0 off. I'm not a mathematician, but I can take a 0 off. That means that product costs the company about, at the most, if they're telling you need to be on some $150 a month auto ship, you want to know how much that product costs the company? Take a 0 off. About 15. These are facts. Anybody with a calculator and any network marketing's compensation plan can recognize that. And that's why those companies' volumes are going down and Costco volume is going up, Sam's Club going up, because people are realizing that the future is in club membership. So here's the deal. That's MLM math. The difference is we want to give people the best products, the 100% empty bottle, no questions asked, money back guarantee, and we charge them $9.95 a month to be a member of that club. That's our brilliance, and we're just starting with nutritional products. So next time somebody asks you, well, that company says they have the science and they have all these things and all that. Simple math. If they're paying commissions on products, if it's costing you $500 to join, take a 0 off. That product costs the company at the most $50. If it's a $200 a month auto ship, and don't start me on auto ship, sorry about the wind noise. That means it costs the company, take a 0 off, $20. That's your math.
You will also find the link to join Livegood below this video. We have one of the best performing teams at Livegood, and we will send you all the strategies that we use to recruit hundreds of members each month.